We have very interesting problem. Now we need to find x21 plus 1 by x21. We can write it as x7 raised to power 3, and in denominator we can write this. Okay. Now a cube plus b cube. Identity of a cube plus b cube is a cube, a plus b, then a square. X7 square is x14 plus b square x14 minus ab, x7 into 1 by x7. Okay. Now this is x7 plus 1 by x7, and this is x14 plus 1 by x14 minus 1. Okay, now we can write it as x14, we can write x7 square plus 1 by x14, 1 by x7 square. Now twice x7 into 1 by x7, it is x7 is cancelled by x7, it is 2, and here is minus 1, so we have to write minus 3. Okay, understanding? Minus 1 equal to 2 minus 3. Okay, this is 2 and minus 3. Now it is x7 plus 1 by x7, this is x7 plus 1 by x7 square minus 3. Okay, so value of this is 6. Now 6 square minus 3, this is 6 square 36 minus 3, 6 33. Answer is 198. I hope you understand this video. Thank you.